What's up guys? Alright, so today we're going to talk about this lens. And this is the Canon 100mm macro 2.8 L series lens. I love this for video. I do use it for photography sometimes, but my main purpose is video. I absolutely love how close I can get with this baby. It captures up close, high quality, gorgeous looking shots. And at 2.8, the bokeh is beautiful. I take this everywhere with me because you never know when you want to get up close to an object and take those nice, beautiful macro shots. My experience with this has been positive. I love the image stabilization inside, especially because I may be using it handheld when I capture the B-roll shot, but there still is a noticeable shake to it because you're shooting at 100mm handheld. So if you do want to make sure it stays professional, I would definitely still use a tripod with it. But oh my God, the shots that it takes, the quality and the detail you get with this lens up close is phenomenal. You know, I recently purchased this lens. You know, I was always debating if I should actually buy it because do I really need a macro lens for video? You know, I can scale in if I'm shooting at 4K, if I'm downsizing to 1080, I can kind of scale in a little bit. But man, am I wrong? It's just, there's nothing like getting up close and personal to get that quality, detailed shot you're looking for. They're also great if you're trying to represent a product or even find details of an object. It just gives you that added into your video and the way it overall looks. I have been super happy with this lens, and if you're out there like me and you were debating if you want a macro lens or really come in handy, it does. Almost every shoot that I go into, I usually use this in some way or form. And I love how this challenges you too creatively because, you know, at 100mm with a macro lens, it really makes you think about the shots you want to take and really look at the angles of the details you want of that object. And if you execute it correctly, it just looks phenomenal. Now Canon does have a macro lens that's not an L series, it just doesn't have image stabilization, and I hear the quality is just as good. And if you are going to be using this on a tripod anyways, then you know the image stabilization really isn't a thing that you may need. But anyways, I just wanted to share my thoughts about this incredible lens that I have been using. And if you're out there debating about it like I was, I say just bite the bullet, you'll love it. It'll come in creatively for you as you do your shots. And I don't know, that's it for me guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And besides that, I will catch you guys in the next video.